August 9, 2025, the Air Jordan 4 Denim Worn Blue offers a vintage, jeans-inspired aesthetic wrapped in Jumpman heritage. Its distressed denim upper channels rugged streetwear vibes, merging durability with high-fashion appeal. Classic Jordan 4 details, plastic wing eyelets, mesh panels, and visible air cushioning, remain, preserving the silhouette's signature identity. The bold Jumpman logo on the tongue and heel nods to its iconic legacy, while soft inner lining enhances all-day wearability. A dark blue midsole paired with a crisp white outsole delivers striking contrast and visual balance. The sneaker's carefully aged denim construction ensures a lived-in look straight out of the box, making it ideal for denim lovers and collectors alike. Continuing Jordan Brand's material experimentation, this release stands out with both form and function. Look for the Air Jordan 4 denim to hit Nike.com and select retailers this summer.